I'll take it. You want some of yours. To meet very important people today. Gotta watch out. Stay tuned to find out. The Japanese tea garden. Maybe I'm first up, maybe I'm not, but I'm definitely exhausted. So, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I share my life and call me rice. There you go. Complicated story. I'll put in suggested. And now, literally day after, I'm exchanging my stuff in this suitcase to go and put this. Luckily, I pre-packed because I'm going to Texas. Last time was not vacation, it was business last time. Last time was yesterday. Yesterday was not vacation, it was business. And I'm super tired. It was 12-hour days. And I'm exhausted. Like, I had to take a break. I have to leave here before 4 a.m. to catch my flight, which is 5 a.m. But I'm not taking any check-in luggage. So I'm really gonna, again, exchange my stuff here. So I've been feeling overwhelmed, which I've talked about on other vlogs. So much work, and like this week just accumulated that. And I'm so overwhelmed that I'm like so tired I can't even I'm sorry. First, you see I can't even go a full sentence. I think this will be a vacation where I spend the most money. I'm just saying it frankly like that. And not the most money ever. I mean, most money like this year I've been trying to be, I'm not trying, I've been frugal. But there I need to relax, not cook. And I'm in a hotel, so no kitchen, no nothing. Going to Texas because I'm overwhelmed, and catch you over there. Or maybe on the airport. One of the two. Hi, copyrighted music. I'm on the airport and arrived home. Nobody seems to be here, so I'm vlogging. I got a bump on my forehead. Look how huge it is. It's not a pimple. It's I tied my head up too tight, and now I have a bump on it. And I can't believe because the first time that happened, and I didn't even know it was that tight. I just tied it here instead of here because last time it left like little lines, and I was like, I don't want the lines. I'll just tie it on my forehead. And I did start tying it here, and it wasn't staying, so I was just like, oh, I'll just leave it there, and it stayed. And I felt fine. I'm a little tired because it's like 4 a.m. Sorry, 4:15 a.m. Not the idea. Whatever. I was so hungry, so I didn't film lunch at the hotel, but this is the pistachio fizzy. It's pretty. This is the riverwalk, San Antonio. Yeah. It's very pretty. That's art on the building over there. Funny story. I know I just got here and this woman just gave me chocolate. She was like, oh, I don't like dark chocolate, and they gave me dark chocolate. She just gave me a whole pack of dark chocolate. Wrapped. So I'm like, I know you're like, you're not supposed to take candies from strangers, but let's use wrapped candy. So I have it, but I'm scared to eat it. I'll show it to y'all later in the room, in my bag. How do these things happen to me? I don't know. So that's the animal. I need to go there. I'm waiting for my aunt. They are who knows where. They put a you are here and I can't find a you are here. Because you are here in red and I don't know why. Y'all seen it? Because I'm not. Unless it's this dot that's empty. It's big. I want to do one of those boats in the back. Not today though. With my aunt and uncle. My aunt and uncle flight got delayed. So here I am. Just walking the city and see what's up. I have some back on. So I shower and hit my bed because I've been up since 2:45. I ain't getting back up. So we gonna walk this city. We gonna walk this city now. You watch me talk to my phone, but I don't care. This is vlogging time. This is what you wanted, vlogs. Such a nice day. It's really pretty. The bridge. I'm gonna cross it. The one over there with the statue. Gator with potatoes, squash spaghetti with shrimp and tilapia, I think, and chicken linguine. Day 2 with my family. But today, mission is to meet very important people today. Japanese tea garden versus Chinese tea garden here, and I'm with and Avajan. Finally together.
Finally, it's happened. It's a thing now.
I don't even know if we're in the frame. Beautiful. Jonathan and Hoot again. This time I have the flip camera for 20 minutes. The shoot only lasts 20 minutes. So nice.
Isn't this pretty?
Yes. Thank you, God, for bringing us together. Thank
and
you.
It's not raining.
It's really nice.
Imagine a house with something like that.
Very calming.
Do you think that's like natural or they decided to like build it?
I think they built it. Communicating with the fish.
It's pretty cool.
The adventurers.
Wow, Jonathan.
Good hot
Okay.
house, but it's okay.
We're
It's
good.
an aloe vera. It's just
It's
a
fine.
small one.
It's gonna heal instantly.
Yes, she'll be good. The aloe vera tree was just protecting herself. They need a lot of water. This is the third person.
Damn, that family must be hardcore and there's somebody watering it.
Third person we see watering plants.
Oh, so there is a trail, see?
There, but not there.
It's okay, it's a shortcut.
First time trying Boba Tea. Jonathan and Ruth again. We'll see if I like it. I'll try this one. This one. They'll have this one. Thai cream blend. We'll see. At Boba Tea, I have a Thai Boba with lychee pops. I'm saying it wrong. She has the taro. Jonathan already have his straw in. It's my first time tasting it. I'm nervous. Can't hide facial expression.
No, you're good. I'm not gonna get offended.
Okay, it's not bad. It's milky.
It's a milk tea.
It's sweet. I don't know why it tastes like. But it's not bad.
What does it taste like?
I don't know. It's not coffee.
Uh huh.
I don't know. It doesn't taste like Thai. I don't know why it tastes like Thai. I don't know. It tastes okay though.
Okay, well there you go. No.
Texas. Jonathan playing with the whip. So when people misbehave in my chat, this is what I'm buying for y'all. I'm using my whip. If TSA let me go back, you're lucky TSA wouldn't let me go with this because I will get this home. Y'all will get whipped. You got the guns to hold, the rifles for when you go hunting. That's why in Texas. The boots. The boots. For $150. If you are a cowboy.
Probably the biggest one.
This one?
That's usually the cowboy thing to do is pick the biggest one.
Look at this one.
That's pretty cool.
That's flowers in a bowl.
Because we're cowboys. That's what we need to represent.
Cowgirl, cowboys.
Elf food.
It's an elf boot. If you have elves in your forest.
Look, these they custom make these in the thing.
Oh.
So you can have your name on them.
Okay. Miniature shoes for kids or babies, I would say. There's a lot of bags. There's a lot of custom work here. Like you have a holster for your gun.
Yeah, for the revolver.
Pew 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 pew. Yeah. I would be scared to stain this, you know. Cowgirl hat.
I like it.
But I don't like that one. I don't know about that one. Maybe a simpler. If you gotta be cowgirl, you gotta get the one with the bull. I think it's a bull. I don't know what it is. To be honest, I don't know. It kind of look kind of.
What's that called, Jonathan? Oh, these are the ones I like.
Oh, that one is cuter because it's black and that can match with ink. But with the sun like it's black, you're gonna attract the sun more.
It's gonna be really hot.
How about the brown one on top? There's flowers on it. And it's airy, there's holes. There's a lot of hands. So many hands.
I like this one. Jonathan says that I'm gonna look like a church singer.
Stop.
Well, they always wear those weird hats.
No, they don't. It's very pretty though. You can see the historic with the bells. Going El Mercado. That means market in Spanish. Oh, thank you. She's such a gentle lady. The fans, the clothes, and she's sewing them. For those who don't know, the luchador thing. This is for Fat Tony. All his mask.
Those are cute. Posters.
If you can't get a cactus, you can get a fake one. Oh, more roosters. There's not enough roosters in Texas. They're everywhere. Everywhere. Is it like the national animal or something here?
Definitely not.
Why is there roosters and chickens everywhere? That's like the biggest thing I've noticed in Texas so far. If you want to eat by someone called...
Birdie?
Literally the restaurant's called XX. I don't know if you want to eat at something that's called XX. I'm like,
No, I don't think so.
XX.
Pass on that.
And this is it. And that's the Mayan kit. And that is it. We did it. And we didn't buy anything suspicious.
No.
Here is bakery, the restaurant, the restaurant over here. Ruth looking around. Jonathan's like me confused. But it's pretty. Lots of lights. I just love cake, so I like to look at them. That was nice. The Texas sun. Gonna try for first time some brisket in Texas.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruth and Jonathan's taking me to the smoke shack.
Yes, ma'am.
This car is not driving, almost knocking us down. Let's go. There's a Texas flag on this house. No, I did not film it. Don't be mad. I be living. And that's it. It's like a little tiny house. And we're gonna get some barbecue. Texan barbecue.
Let's go.
Okay, it's my first time having Texan barbecue. First time having brisket. First time. Every day it's first. It's okay. We're trying to get good shot for me almost far. See, all of this for content. Content. Come and take it. Come and take it. Got coins on the table. Can't get more American than this.
We're gonna test it out. See if you like it. If you don't like it, then you have to leave Texas.
Forever.
Forever. Never come back.
Back from Texas. The stakes are high. So we have sides, mac and cheese, coleslaw, seasoned fries, biscuits for food. Jonathan has meat, brisket, fries, mac and cheese. And I have a barbecue brisket sandwich with mac and cheese. American. And Jonathan went for forks and knives. I'll taste. This is mac and cheese. So it's hot. It's good. It's good.
It looks good. Okay, it's
I
sandwich
think
time.
there's bacon in it.
Yep.
Okay. And if it's a brisket, it's the first time I'm having brisket. I don't know what it tastes like. Yeah. I mean, it's not bad. It tastes like meat. And what does meat taste like?
But is it salty?
It's not salty.
No?
It tastes good.
Tastes good?
But I don't know why it is. Like, it just, I guess this is brisket. I can't.
It's messy though.
It is messy, but
Wow.
And then you can like put barbecue sauce if you want.
I prefer this than I forgot why it tasted. It's not lamb, it's the other thing that I take and I didn't like it. It was
Let's see
like,
with the barbecue sauce. Let's see.
That's off. Like some kind of pinpoint.
Maybe it's the bread.
But it's good. I like the bread. But it's just good. It's not wrapped. I would give it 8.5. But
It's good.
yeah, it's good. I think I'm not a meat person. I'm a chicken. I know chicken is meat, but it's white meat. Saying bye-bye to Jonathan and Hood. It was short, but it was good.
And we had fun.
Yes, and we'll meet again.
100%.
Had Boba Tea for the first time, brisket for the first time, met Alpha John and Hood for the first time. And the sun is a long way. But bye-bye. Oh, there we go. Content creator. You see content creator break.
Got it.
Bye. Thanks for watching
Bye.
until now. This is probably day 1, day 2, day 3 vlog because I'm filming too much. Bye, everybody. One of the files got corrupted from Jonathan and who like spending time, and I know when they happen, when my camera just stopped working. So this film, don't know what's in it, but I'll be deleted because I can't do anything. It just keeps saying it's corrupted, no video. So RIP to that scene. But I did take things on my phone, and we had so much fun and jokes, no lie. We had a bunch of jokes, bunch of fun. And I even tell her like those things. She was like, Root, she as in Root, was just like, oh my goodness, this will be great content for a vlog. And you didn't film. I'm like, girl, one, I'm not used to filming with people. So in my head, I'm just like, in the moment, I'm living my life. But I have to start learning that you're living your life, but you have to film it because it's funny and it's just hanging out. But I just enjoyed my company with them so much that I was like, didn't think on it. So yeah. I just gotta remember more, but it's something, it's practice. I keep practicing, and yeah, I'll just get better at the vlogging thing. So forgive me, that was living my life and just having fun, and so forgot to film.